In a sunny kitchen, a curious cat investigates an empty cereal box, pouring the lid and declaring victory with a meow. A playful corgi treats a broom as a dragon, chasing its shadow across tiles. On the balcony, a clever parrot negotiates with a fluttering curtain, trading crackers for breeze and dramatic feathered flair. Inside, a goofy dog pretends to be a vacuum, woofing in rhythm and drawing giggles from the family. Night falls as a sleepy bunny surveys a laundry mountain and curls up, the sock pile becoming a soft pillow.